Let me tell you what makes me stressed. And honestly, it's most related to university. University life can be rewarding, but it's also full of responsibilities and deadlines that cause a lot of pressure. What really stresses me out is when everything seems to happen at once. Right now, I'm supposed to be working on three major assignments that are all due next week. I'm also required to attend extra workshop and study session to take up a lot of my time. It's very likely that I'll be spending most of this week in the library or in front of my laptop trying to get everything on time. Over the next few days, I'm going to be writing essays, organizing group projects, and preparing for exams. It's exhausting just thinking about it. By this time next week, I'll be getting ready for a group presentation that's worth 30% of my final grade. I'll be expected to know all the material and explain it clearly in front of the class. I might even need to meet my professor if my schedule gets too overwhelming and need an extension of one of my assignments. This kind of stress isn't new. It's been going on since I started university. Every semester brings a new wave of deadlines, and it always feels like everything is going to happen at once. According to the academic calendar, we're going to have midterm exams very soon, so the pressure is definitely building. On top of that, I'm supposed to start a new job next month, which means I'll be balancing between academic work with real job responsibilities. This kind of stress to deal with, I try to stay organized. I make a detailed weekly schedule, I set my priorities, and take short breaks between the tasks to avoid burnout. Sometimes I'll go for a walk or listen to music just to clear my head. Still, the stress is hard to avoid, especially when deadlines are coming fast. I know the next few weeks will be intense, but I'm going to do my best to stay focused and get through it all. Hopefully, when the semester ends, things will calm down and I'll finally have time to relax. Thank you.